So we do have a lot of fog near the coast, and that's because that marine inversion where temperatures are really hot once you get away from the beaches, because again, the ocean waters keep it a little bit more temperate throughout the year. So what's happening right now is the ocean water is a little bit cooler, and so because the land heats up faster than the water, we're definitely starting to see a little bit more of the fog and clouds right near the coast, and some of it has filtered inland. But once we head toward the latter part of the morning, the clouds, especially in the basins, will start to clear. So get ready for another hot day here across the Southland. Mild and cloudy near the beaches, excessive heat warnings and also heat advisories extended and through tonight. The good news is that as we head into July 4th, we're actually looking at slightly cooler conditions. It's still going to stay above average, but just not quite as hot as today. So here's a look at where we're seeing some of the hottest spots: Santa Clarita Valley and also the high deserts, what we've seen all weekend long under this excessive heat warning till 8 p.m. tonight, and then the heat advisories, everything in orange. That means the mountains are also looking at unseasonably hot temperatures, especially for this time of year. And then we also have heat advisories for the Inland Empire until about 8 p.m. tonight as well. All right, so it is a big holiday weekend. Here's a quick look at your grilling forecast. If you are going to be firing up the grill, we're definitely looking at those really comfortable and toasty conditions as we head into the latter part of the morning, into the afternoon. This is just for downtown LA, so it gets even hotter as you head toward the valleys and also areas like the high deserts. But if you're leaving us today and you're not staying in Southern California and you're flying out of Ontario, one of our many airports here, we're looking at a high of 93 for Ontario. And then we're also looking at temperatures in Chicago, about 78 degrees. There's a chance for those afternoon thunderstorms in Atlanta, Georgia, 91. Portland, Oregon's also looking at lots of sunshine. They're also dealing with the same high pressure system that we are, so they're looking at a high of 87. And then Honolulu is looking at the chance for afternoon showers with a high of 86. So right now this high pressure system is sitting over Southern California and then also portions of Nevada and Arizona. By tomorrow, it starts to drift a little bit more to the south because there is a system to the north of us that will bring in some cooler air. But again, because this high pressure system is still very close to us, our temperatures will remain above average. It's just going to allow some relief to arrive. So here's a look at LA and Orange County. We're basically talking temperatures in the low 80s still, but by the middle of the week and into the end of the week, temperatures drop into the upper 70s. Big time changes tomorrow for the valley. So we've had triple-digit temperatures the last couple of days, and then by tomorrow, as that shift from that high pressure system moves just to the south, you'll notice some relief arriving for July 4th, mid-90s and then upper 80s as we head toward the end of the week. Inland Empire will also go down by a few degrees, going to the low 90s starting tomorrow. And then for the beaches, you're pretty much staying in the low 70s for the next few days. High deserts also getting some big time relief, 108 today, and then we're looking at temperatures dropping into the upper 90s and then continuing to cool into the mid 90s for the second half of the week. Mountain communities 87 today with low 80s expected by tomorrow, and then you're pretty much staying in the low 80s until we head into Saturday, where temperatures drop into the upper 70s.